I think heat trained hair is heat damaged hair. And remember, heat damaged hair is not necessarily damage to the hair as much as it is damage to your natural texture. Heat training is I don't know, I remember hearing the term heat training years ago, like 30 years ago. That's when no one was really concerned about a curl pattern. I think heat trained hair is heat damaged hair. And remember, heat damaged hair is not necessarily damage to the hair as much as it is damage to your natural texture. And your natural texture is now not what it used to be because it's looser from the heat or too much heat. And too much heat can happen in 30 seconds. You can get heat damage in 30 seconds. And that generally comes from a multitude of things. Your regimen is not great, so your hair's dried out. Your hairdresser's not interested in your natural texture when they're straightening it, and they're using, or you're using shampoos that bubble, lather, and suds, which strip away the hair. Conditioners never put back what those shampoos take out. They just make you feel better, or make the shampoo, your hair feel not as trashy as you did when the shampoo got rinsed out of your hair. And you know, really hardcore blowouts and then multiple passes on one section of hair. I've never had to, on any head of kinky, forward, thick, coarse, wiry tech, I've never had to go over a section of hair more than once to both straighten and curl. And that, a lot of time that has to do with how you prep the hair, how much conditioner you put into the, or how much leave-in conditioner and or heat styling spray, which are all really should be in addition to your moisturized healthy hair as that you get from wash and go styling. And or you're very mindful that before you get your hair blow dry, maybe you sleep that night with conditioner in your hair. But the objective is to impart as much moisture in your hair naturally through your hair care regimen so that your hair has its own ability to be its own heat protected. So if you've heard me say like a dry sponge, you can almost break a dry sponge, but if you add moisture to it, it goes back and forth. And so you keep your naturally kinky, soft, spongy hair soft and moisturized. It blows out really easy. You can go over one pass. It's got luster and shine to it. It's bouncy. You don't need a bunch of heavy products. And then a week later, it goes back to its natural state. And that's the evolution of having natural hair that's versatile through either tons of wash and go styling and or proper blowouts and presses, or silk presses. I know y'all like to say silk press. But yeah, heat trained hair generally, I mean, you can call it what you want to. Maybe it's hair that has flexibility and it goes back and forth easy. Maybe it's that as well. But don't get caught up in what the term is versus what you want your hair to be able to do. So if you've got heat damaged hair and you're calling it heat trained hair, then all right. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.